Real Housewives of Beverly Hills star Dorit Kemsley and her husband Paul, also known as PK, have it all, including horrible spending habits. Dorit started a swimwear line in 2017 and took a $205,000 loan from her then business partner to get things rolling. Us Weekly reported that the following year, she was in trouble for failing to pay back the money. But Dorit has claimed the two parties eventually worked things out. Yet another business partner came forward and alleged that he had loaned PK more than $1 million years earlier and had only been paid back $250,000 in interest. According to The Blast, the partner dismissed his claims in 2019. In 2013, the Las Vegas casino The Bellagio sued PK for $1.7 million, not long after he filed for bankruptcy in the United Kingdom. Ultimately, PK agreed to incremental payments, but he didn't complete them as planned. The Kemsleys finally paid back the money in 2022, but still have $1.3 million in tax liens against their names, Radar reports.